Hello world! Welcome back to another HackerRank Python challenge video. In this video, we're going to be solving the Python division challenge. Let's get into it. The provided code stub reads two integers, a and b, from standard input. Add logic to print two lines. The first line should contain the result of integer division, a floor divided by b. The second line should contain the result of float division, a divided by b. No rounding or formatting is necessary. They give us some examples: a equals 3, b equals 5. If you want to know what floor division does, just take a look at my Python video in the Python series on my channel. And it's in the arithmetic operators video, and that explains how floor division works. But let's go ahead and just do the challenge, right? So do we have any constraints? No constraints. All right, so this should be pretty straightforward then. So we're simply going to do print a floor divided by b, and then we're going to print a over b. All right, this is just like our previous challenge in HackerRank. It's just in this time we're doing division, since division works a little bit differently than the other operators, right? Because you have, things that you can't divide by or that are impossible to divide by, and they're just trying to segregate, that, or they're just trying to emphasize that division just, is just a whole different beast from the other arithmetic operators. But let's go ahead and run the code. And our output matches the expected output for the most part. There's a few more 3s added on, but let's go ahead and submit the code. And all our test cases passed. Congratulations. All right, well, that was quick. I do want to just do one challenge per video, but I'll make sure that I'll be uploading another one here very shortly, since this one was so quick. Anyways, if you liked the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Check out our Discord server, join if you want to, and we just made a Patreon actually, so if you want to show your support and give us some love, you can donate whatever you want to on there. We'll be updating that more frequently as we grow the channel, but for now it's just a pretty standard Patreon account where you can just send your, like I said, your support. So thanks for watching. This is Almond Milk signing out.